What's up, YouTube? I am back here. Cringe. This is another. Fuck. What am I saying? I'm back with a another unboxing of Palace. The one they did last Friday. And this is not the piece that I wanted, but I went for it anyways. It's the sticker. This is the I don't know the name of it, but they dropped 2 colorways for this one. They dropped a black and blue, which is this one, and then they dropped the white and black one. The white and black one I wanted because the whole like point of the design was to like be like this whole like illusion type of like mess with your mind type of thing, and the black and white colorway was the best one for it. This colorway, if you look at it, the design is, it's just like a regular design, but the black and white one, you would see it way more better. Like the like the black and white one was supposed to be intended for like this design. This black and blue one though is pretty cool. You can still see the you know, the swirls and stuff. I forgot what it was called. It was called Swirl Hood Jacket. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got, and that's the only thing I did get. The shorts, I didn't want to pay like 100 and something for shorts, so this is the only thing I did get. As you can see, it's not a fleece hood. It's more of like a track jacket, like a windbreaker. Let me open this up. Oh, before that, you do have Palace screen printed on the hood. Palace. Oh, one hand. And you just have like a mesh material on the inside. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, you do have mesh on the inside, and then it kind of goes into like a different material towards the hood. And I think that's pretty much it. You do have, you know, standard pockets, zip. You have the zipper right here. Nothing else on the inside as far as I can see. But the bottom is almost elastic, so you do have branding on the elastic. I did not know that, but you know, subtle branding. I don't think on the cuffs it has that, does it? Oh, it does have on the cuffs. Oh, focus. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, and on the hood. So on the lining you do have past the subtle branding. But yeah, this is a nice piece that I did get. And then on the back you do have, I didn't even know this was on the back, or did I? I don't even know. On the back you do have a tri-ferg. Pretty big tri-ferg on the back. You can see the design here better. It's more like a swirl. Like I said, the black and white one, you can see the intended design on it, really good. With this one, you can barely see it. I do have, hold on. Oh fuck. As you can see, it's supposed to be like this. As you can see, the designs are pretty similar. Like I said, the black and white one of like this hooded windbreaker is supposed to be like this, where you can see the design way better. And I think that's it for this video. I just wanted to do an unboxing video because I did get 40 subscribers. Thank you very much. And I do wanna do this more in the future. I don't want to become like I don't want to be a YouTuber per se, but I would, you know, do this as a full-time job if I could. But I do want to do it, you know, in my way. You can end the video if you want. I'm just gonna talk a little bit. But yeah, I want to do it, you know, my way. I don't want to like, you know, I don't want to do like certain thumbnails and certain titles, stuff like that, just because I don't want to be that type of person. I just want to do videos that you guys want to see, and I will continue to do the videos you want to see. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for the 40 subscribers. And I do want to say, if you want to subscribe. If you don't, just, you know, so whatever, it's good. And that's the rest of the video. So thank you very much, and goodbye.